Hey there, fellow parents. Welcome back to my channel Organized House Ideas, where we dive deep into all things parenting. In today's video, I am thrilled to share with you the top parenting styles that can greatly benefit your child's development. Authoritative parenting. Ritika Bhutani, lead clinical psychologist and supervisor, Lee-Sun says, parents who adopt this style typically cultivate a close and nurturing bond with their children. They establish clear guidelines regarding their expectations and are transparent about the reasons behind disciplinary measures. Extend support through discipline. Rather than using discipline as a form of punishment, they view it as a means of support. These parents value the input of their children in setting goals and expectations, and there is consistent and appropriate communication between parent and child. Raising a competent child. Children raised with an authoritative parenting style exhibit traits such as confidence, responsibility, and effective self-regulation. They demonstrate improved ability to manage negative emotions, leading to positive social outcomes and emotional well-being. The child becomes an achiever. By encouraging independence, authoritative parents instill a belief in their children's capabilities to achieve goals autonomously. As a result, these children develop higher self-esteem. Moreover, they tend to excel academically, achieving higher levels of academic success and school performance. Positive parenting. Positive parenting focuses on building a strong parent-child relationship based on mutual respect and understanding. It involves providing consistent discipline with clear boundaries, using positive reinforcement and rewards instead of punishment, and actively listening to and validating children's feelings. Responsive parenting. Responsive parents are attuned to their child's needs and emotions. They promptly respond to their child's cues, providing comfort, support, and guidance. They engage in active listening, offer empathy, and provide appropriate levels of nurturance, says Bhutani.